So I was just singing this whole song, and I was like super into it. And then I checked the camera, and I'm like, it's not filming. So anyway. Keep smoking in my head. Keep hoping it'll be okay. No time to turn your head. Clouds follow anyway. I'm scared I missed my chance. Ain't that silly if you don't really try?